So hello everyone, this is Kyler Regasa from BSIT 2-2 evening. Once again, I'm here. I'm here to create to do this activity that is given us by Sir Anki for this week activity. So with the, for this activity, we'll try to replicate this GUI na kita sa inyong screen. We will try to encode sa kaning mga nasa to ang text box, and where after encoding ma-insert siya diri sa table. So join me creating this GUI, and let's wonder how we will code this GUI so sa to ang VB.NET. So karon na natay we'll go to our application, which is Visual Studio. So ang gamit niya na Visual Studio diri is Visual Studio Code 2022. So now we will try to replicate ang ato ang GUI so sa ating form. So first ato sa nilisdan ato ang form. So we'll try this as a salary based on the given GUI. Name it form 1 lang para to form. So we have here first natay salary ID, employee ID, employee name, payment method, account number, bank, and basic salary. For our salary information, natay bonus, other salary, education allowance, house rent, medical, and total salary. And here our button, natay insert button, search button, update button, and delete button. And here we have here table for this given and information. So first, let's try to create ang ito ang kanila sa mga basic information. So we have here salary. And saka text box. We have here salary ID. And now we were done giving variable ID or name sa ato ang kanang sud sa text box. For us ang kani ang tawagon if ever magbutan ta sa table. So now let's try to create kani mga button: insert, search, update, and delete nga button. So first we have here insert button. So ato lang siya i-copy para dali. So ang button 1 natay insert. Tingnan natin siya. Okay. Button insert. Next we'll have here search. Button delete. Now we were done making this information. Now let's to proceed pag-create ito ang table. So first let's try this data grid view if ever mag-work. The data grid view is walay sunod. So this time I will try to create table. Try to create a table. First try to so for continuation we have here our prepared GUI, and now we'll try to encode it so sa to ang mga button. So sa search button, insert button, update button, and delete button. So first we will proceed to insert button. So we have here unfinished data or code nga ni that data grade view 1. May data grade view 1, then we'll try to add rows here. So to ang 1 that add together with the value sud sa to ang sa GUI. For example, text ID and that text nga text int ID na text int name. Text pay method and text account number and text bank. So here so atong mga input nga gibutan nato nga value is ma-add diri nga text boxes and text basic salary or basic salary text that bonus 9 other side, and EDOC allowance, and XT house rent, medical, and tatasan. So as you can see, we will done done with this event thunder, since we will directly adding raman so sa to ang rows, mga specified rows ito. The next we will go to with or insert or update nga event handler. So here we will try to declare we'll try to declare first mag-try sa tag if else, una ito mag-declare if data grid view 1 that count is less than to 0, then and beam selected row as data grid view is equals to data grid view 1 dot selected rows, the value is 0, since selected row so is data grid view 1 dot selected dot rows then selected row that cells ato ang gamiton diri nga sud sa value anang naka open and close bracket ato da is or so para ma-update na to ang each cell sud sa to ang update sud sa to data grid view ang para ma-update na to ang each cells dito. First thing first, ato found ang variable names sa atong columns para makabaw ta. So let's try to tan-aw so sa to ang columns inside lang ang mga data grid variable name. So we have here column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4 up to column 13. So let's check if ever basta niya nay nagkabalik-balik ka number. So we have here so copy for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So change na ng value. No, delete value, delete cells, but column 1, let's say pagka-copy paste, we're trying that to 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So let's try to change Gamit aning column gi-targetan na to text box kay kana ganing sa sud sa atong cells ma-specify ganin na to pag-update so ato sa atong data grid view. So here we'll try to change this. So make sure lang kaning pang specify din mo nga column dire kay mao ang nasod sa ato text box para if ever mag-update gani dili maglibog ang ato ang compiler kung asa siya ibutang. So, gi-copy lang nila or siya para dali. For me kay dali. Kaysa mag-type. Solid allowance. Ito lang sila. So, ito medic. Kana. So here let's try to show a message sud sa to ang text box sud ani para ma-identify na to if ever na-update na ba siya or wala. Message box not show. Or else message show. So that's it for our button nga event handler. And now we will try to proceed sa ato search. So search here during sa atong database. Since wala may database is a bit complex, so here we will try to use for each loop, and inside the for each loop we'll provide an if statement, and inside that if nahatay if else. So first thing first, mag-declare sa tag variable. So sa to and this variable is ang text search kay mo ni ato ang text box sud sa ato ang para maka-search ta. Ang salay pasabit aning trim ang trim kay para ma-corner siya filter out or ma-sort out, and for readability na lang sud sa ato ang data if ever we're searching for specified target. Excuse. Mali. ID column. Ay. So kani siya is our counter for our for loops for each row as data grid view in data grid row 1 that rows. If not that is not new, it's not it's new row, it's not it's new row, then Diesel value. Then if that road that if not road is new road, then if not road that is for each row as data grade view and data run. So we didn't specify the row here is data grade view. So here we're done with our search search nga event key calendar. Now we try to proceed sa delete. So delete function is a bit easier since magkuha na ta same sa babaw. That count is greater than 0, then blue selected as review 1 selected rows. So this is a bit understandable since we were just deleting specified rows, man. So here we will try to show a message that row is deleted successfully. And else box that show. Now we're done with this code. As you can see, we're done with all of the event handlers. So sa to ang GUI and nakakuan lang yun ani is that ang our search button event handler since we're doing a manual adding of data or manual adding of data so sa tuan data grid view. So as you can see, we have here for each loop. So kani siya is our indicator nga that our row is initialized or na plusan siya ba, na plusan or na iterated ba siya, na initialized one, iterated from 0. So every row, every new row will be equals to every new row will be excuse, will be triggered and will be adding 1 on those ID column index, whereas ma-reach na nga pila ka column. So para ang ating search kanang search team and search text ay if ang gipakita gani is same as sa gi-input nato sa text box ka search is ma-visible siya. So kaning condition to validate that our to validate nga if ever sakto ba ato ang gipakita. So delete button is a bit easy since we're deleting just the rows raman. So now let's proceed pag-run sa ang code. Excuse me. Next, so here 1 and 1 2 3 tile and payment method, cash number, China, basic salary, insert. What if mag-try tag update sud sa to ang kuan, sud sa to ang table. So search ta abot na list na rin Kyle Nagasa. So update. So as you can see, our update function is working well, or let's try to proceed. Ato na siyang i-move for 50 na house rent kay house rent is tara change siya. Now let's try to delete this row. So we'll be just highlighting the rows and let's try to proceed. Delete. So actually I don't have here data na, so sa to ang data grid view or table. So I'll try to insert it again and change the seller ID. Insert saying insert. So what if we were tasked to find specified person based sa yung ID, since it is indicated here that we'll try just to insert an ID for us to search sa isa ka employee. So here I actually have here kaning siya. So what if 2 3, diba? So what if mag-add siya ang tagbag-o insert. I'll try to proceed 1. So 1 and 2, since this newly introduced data 1 and 2 so sayang kuan. So syempre also to filter out ra niya mo to ang gamit sa to ang trim. Filter out ra niya to ang mga angay pangitaon. So since 12 has 1, so syempre ma-appeal jud sa if ever specified nga 1 lang, so 1 makita siya nga 1 nga. So 12 ano siya, di ba? Nakita na nga specified 12. So that's it. I hope you like this video and I hope you learned something new from this, as I've learned something from this. I hope this activity built up my experience, built up my knowledge, and for the upcoming midterm exam. So I hope this activity helps me well with regards to my studies in this topic, and I hope you like it. Thank you very much and goodbye.